Hello students, welcome to Narayana Educational Institutions. Today we are going to discuss JEE Mains paper, physics part that was conducted on 6th of September morning session. Before I discuss the question paper in physics part, I like to tell you that these are all questions memorized by the students. The questions may have some data error, the questions may have some options error also. They may not take the options rightly also. Some questions may have been represented wrongly also. Like different students have given me different opinion about the same question. So before going to discuss this question paper, let me clarify. These are all memory based questions and we are going to discuss all the memory based questions. So let us go to the physics question. The first question I am going to discuss, this is the question of a circular motion concept. The length of the second hands is 0.1 meter. So this is basically a clock whose second hand length is 0.1 meter. Find the acceleration of the tip of the second hands and the order of the acceleration in meter per second square. So first of all you have to understand, if this is the second hand, let's say, and all of you know that this is rotating with certain angular velocity omega. And whatever the angular velocity omega, we know it from the concept that it takes 60 seconds to complete one revolution. So t, that is time period of second hand, is 60 seconds. So we get the omega value, that is angular velocity of this, is 2 pi divided by 60 radian per second. This is angular velocity of the second hand. Now some students are also telling that he is also asking the question about order of the magnitude of angular velocity, which is obviously you can understand from this is equals to how much? This angular velocity he is asking. Simply you can get some value like pi by 3. This is 2c, so you get pi by 3 into 10 to the power minus 1. So he is asking the question about angular velocity order, then it will be obviously 10 to the power minus 1. But some students also told that he is also asking the acceleration. He is not also asking, actually the question is one question which is not being clarified by the students correctly. So acceleration of the tip of the second hand. So all of you know that if the second hand length is 0.1 meter, then he is asking acceleration of this point. So which will be omega square into length, whatever the value of length. So that should be, we'll get acceleration of the tip will be equals to omega square, which is 2 pi by 60 whole square into 0.1. So this is the value of acceleration of the tip, which is obviously the normal acceleration. So this value will be equals to 4 pi square divided by 3600 into 0.1. The value of pi square, all of you know, is nearly equals to 10. So you can cancel out this term and this will give you 4 by 3600, that is 4 by 3.6 into 10 to the power minus 3. So if he is asking the acceleration of the tip of the second hand, then answer should be 10 to the power minus 3. If he is asking angular velocity, then it should be 10 to the power minus 1. So depending on the type of question, we can have this value. Okay. So now we'll go to the next question. We'll go for the next question. It's not coming. Study.